Diversity to today's project, how to replace your fuel pump in this 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan. Stand by, let's make a mess. Okay, we're in the rear. We're going to take loose the electrical connector here. Okay, I got it disconnected here. I'm gonna take my screw out of where the inlet comes in to the tank. Take this clamp off here. Have two connectors under here, one right here, and the other one over there. This one. Here I got the small disconnect loose. Work on the larger one. Got my other connector off here. So we have this one loose, another one loose. Let's work sliding this inlet hose off. Diversity 2, moving right along. Replacing the fuel pump in this 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan. Stand by. 3 lines I have to disconnect. 1, 2, and just one on the side right under the driver's side rear wheel, right under the gas door. So that's 3 lines. That's my 3rd line. Okay, we are going to remove our gas tank today on this 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan. I have the vehicle jacked up. I'm working from the floor, so I have to get it up enough where I can work with it. But this is my replacing the fuel pump project. Diversity 2, stand by, let's do it. My 15mm socket here. Get this on. Just kind of loose. Got one bolt out there. Let me get my jack under this tank. Take and set my jack under there. Got a pan right upside down. Take it, pump this up. Okay, I think that's gonna be okay. Just like that. And I hold it till I can get it lowered down. Okay, got that one loose. Loose another one over here. On this end. Got it loose. Do the rest by hand here. Another nut out here. Wrong nut. Trying to hold the camera in this rascal. Okay. So let's get this tank lowered down. I had a hard time getting this off the gas inlet here, but it's starting to come loose. And I'm getting ready to set it down on the floor. Once I relocate get my jack out the way and my pan holding up. So that first of the two, move right along. We move it. Okay, let me get my jack out the way here. Let this thing just kind of ease on down. Got this tank off here. 60 feet from around it. I can take it out and it be looking like here. We had an accident. This got cracked off, so we're gonna replace that. Connector. Other one off here. Pump out here. Bucket in the kitchen. Need fuel. I got my fuel pump out. Pretty big one.